This is for tourist viewing or for scientific viewing?
Both. Yeah, they are just you book flights with the. No, I think you do it online.
The temperature could be higher.
There's no hot lava here right now, like last time. You see we had some spillovers and lava activity here, but now it's spilling towards the east, you know. But that's where most of people are today, here on the hill. And it's kind of nice. I came to the other side because there you could see volcano crater much better. Now it's starting to rain. Many scientists here, like these guys here, I see, they are using hammers to take some pieces. It's a new trail, very clear, very well set up, pole after the pole, you know. They used it the free time, like when the volcano was closer, to make that pole, the trails to set up poles. So now it's hard to get lost if you just follow the poles, you know. And the people do enjoy it here, as you see. Really many people. So you don't see well cone from here, but you will see it in my other videos. And
What are they doing? What are they doing? They're looking at rocks.